Hello KG2, good morning. How are you all? Fine. So KG2, this is your EVS class and I welcome you all in this session of EVS chapter 4, dressing up. In the previous part, what did we do? Before starting the class, just write your names in the discussion box so that I could know that who all have attended the class. Okay. Now, KG2 in the previous part, what did we do? We have practiced oral questions of the lesson, and after that we have prepared two activities to craft work. The first one is shirt and the second one is skirt. These two has to be pasted in your notebook. आपके EVS notebook में it is a notebook which has one plain side and one ruled side. Okay, so जो plain side है, in that side only you have to paste it. Okay, and you have to mark it as where you are pasting your shirt. Where you are pasting your shirt, you will write S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Whereas, where you are pasting your skirt, it will be written as S-K-I-R-T, skirt. See, what is the similarity between shirt and skirt? If I hide this S, H and if I had this K, the spelling is same. S-I-R-T, S-I-R-T. That means we can say that shirt and skirt are rhyming words. They are rhyming words where shirt has the spelling sh, t, sh, t, shirt, and here it is skirt, t, skirt, shirt, skirt, skirt. KG2, when you are learning maths number name, you are using the same IR in the spelling 30. T. Is it the same spelling? So, shirt, skirt and 30 have similar spellings. IR. So, what you need to do? You need to paste the skirt and the shirt in your notebook, writing their names. Shirt, skirt, where shirt spelling is S-H-I-R-T and skirt spelling is S-K-I-R-T. Skirt, shirt. Now, I am going to revise some of the oral questions. Then I will give you the written work. As what do the clothes protect us from? Clothes हमें किससे बचाते हैं? So, the answer is clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. The second question is, what do we wear on a hot and sunny day? If it is a hot and sunny day, what do we wear? We wear loose cotton clothes. We wear loose cotton clothes on a hot and sunny day. Question number 3 is, what do we wear on a rainy day? So, what do we wear? We wear a raincoat and gum boots or rainy day. Now next is, what do we wear when we feel cold? If you are feeling cold, what you will wear? What you will wear? जब ठंड लगेगी तो क्या पहनेंगे? We wear jacket, gloves, muffler and coat when we feel cold. The first question is, what do you wear to the school? School में क्या पहन के जाते हैं? We wear uniform to the school. We wear uniform to the school. We wear uniform to the school. And the last question is, what is the color of your uniform? आपकी यूनिफॉर्म का कलर क्या है? The color of our uniform is, the first set is red and grey and the second set is blue and grey. Okay, so KG2, this was your oral part, and now we are going to do some written work. So in written work I have given you 3 spellings. Yesterday I had given you 3 spellings and the spellings were V, E, A, R. Wear, V, E, A, R. Wear. The second one was claw. CL says claw. A, Th, S. Claw, O, S. Claw, O, S. Clothes. The third one was H, A, T. Hot. H, A, T. Hot. H, A, T. Hot. Now class KG2, in the same page, if place is there, अगर same page में place है, so put number 4, take out your notebook, put number 4 and write the spelling K. What is the sound of this letter? It is K. A, L, D. The spelling is K, A, L, D. Cold. K, O, L, D. Cold. We will give 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you will do your work, you have to share your picture in the through the discussion box. Okay? You can take your pictures while writing also. आप लिखते लिखते या कोई एक्टिविटी करते करते भी अपनी पिक ले सकते हैं. Okay? Now the next is, again it is the spelling that I have just made you learn. The fourth, after fourth, the fifth spelling is, it is sk. What you will write for sk? We will write SK for sk. Sk. IR is T. KG2, I want to know something, that is phonics helping you? क्या phonics की मदद से आप स्पेलिंग लर्न कर पाते हैं, समझ पाते हैं? Is it helping you to read? phonics की हेल्प से क्या आपको रीड करने में मदद मिल रही है? I want to know it, whether yes or no. Okay, so the spelling of skirt is skirt. 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 5 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next is number 6, and it is again very easy. It is sh. have IR in them. शर्ट और स्कर्ट जब हम लिखते हैं तो IR लिखेंगे. Okay, the spelling is IR. Now have you all done it? If you have done it, let me erase it because there is one more spelling, and the spelling is very easy. It is number 7. Number 7 is ka a. See what is the break? It is ka o ch. जब O और A एक साथ होते हैं तो पहले लेटर का साउंड बोलते हैं. पहला लेटर इसमें O है तो हम O कहेंगे. So it is COAT, coat. C-O-T, coat. The spelling is C-O-T, coat. Give 5 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to learn and write all the spellings 5 times each. Now, KG2, turn the page. Turn after writing it, turn the page, or else you can write from the below line. इसके बाद वाली लाइन से आप लिखना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. And this is the second written work in the notebook. Chapter number 4. It is not given in your book. This is the extra work that I am giving from my side to practice. And this exercise is fill-ups. When you will do this, I will give you some fill in the blanks to write. Okay? So, you can put today's date. What is the date today? Today is 21/8/2020. Put CW. Chapter 4, and the topic is fill in the blanks. Okay? In short, it can be written fill ups. F-I-double-L. यहाँ देखो, यहाँ भी आपके phonics काम आएगा. F-I-F-I-L. Fill. I-N-In. अभी KG2 थोड़े थोड़े बड़े हो जाओगे आप, थोड़े थोड़े स्मार्ट हो जाओगे, थोड़े थोड़े इंटेलिजेंट हो जाओगे, बिकॉज आप थोड़ा थोड़ा रीड करना सीख जाओगे. ये है ना एक अमेजिंग बात कि अब आप अपने क्वेश्चंस खुद से भी रीड कर सकते हो अगर आप थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करो तो. तो स्पेलिंग इज फिल इन, T-H-E, the. And now we are going to write blur. B-L, blur. And K. Fill in the blanks. The question is fill in the blanks. जैसे आप KG1 में fill in the missing letters लिखते थे ना? और क्या लिखते थे? Fill in the missing numbers. Likewise, here it is fill in the blanks. एक missing word होगा जो आपको सोच कर लिखना है. Okay? Number 1 is W-E-V. KG2, I am giving you the concept of capital letter. जब भी हम कोई sentence लिखेंगे, सेंटेंस लिखने के स्टार्टिंग में ही जो पहला लेटर होगा वो हमेशा कैपिटल होगा. V डैश क्लब अ थ स कंप्लीट होता है तो वी शुड ऑलवेज पुट फुल स्टॉप. सो दिस इज द सेंटेंस वी डैश क्लोथ्स. हम क्लोथ्स को क्या करते हैं? डू वी ईट क्लोथ्स? नो. डू वी ड्रिंक क्लोथ्स? नो. डू वी hit clothes? No. Do we handshake with clothes? No. We wear clothes. हम कपड़े पहनते हैं. And the spelling of wear is W E A R. We wear clothes. उसको रीड कीजिए अभी मैम के साथ. We wear clothes. We wear clothes. Now the second sentence is number 2. Number 2 is, read it. W-E-V W-E-A-R, it is V-E-R, wear. C-O-A-T, C-O-T, coat. We wear coat. W-H is always V. जहां भी WH आएगा वो हमेशा W होगा. W and when. We wear coat when. हम कोट तब पहनते हैं. We KG2, isn't it amazing that आपने जो भी अभी E साउंड पढ़ा है वो सारे यहाँ रीडिंग में काम आ रही है. isn't it? है ना? That means अब आप थोड़े और इंटेलिजेंट हो जाओगे क्योंकि आपको रीडिंग आ जाएगी. और जो बच्चा रीडिंग करना जानता है वही बच्चा स्मार्ट होता है. सो वी आर रीडिंग इट. वी wear coat. W and when. We double E से E dash. We feel coat. Sorry, we wear coat when we feel. क्या फील होता है स्किन में? क्या फील होता है? Then we wear coat, gloves, muffler. Yes, we wear clothes. We wear coat when we feel cold. We wear coat when we feel cold. जब हमें ठंड लगती है तो हम कोट पहनते हैं. Now number 3. KG2, I am saying you again and again, I am telling you again and again, reading is very necessary. आप इसको भले लर्न मत कीजिए लेकिन रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस जरूरी है. जब आप रीड करना जानोगे, जब आप अच्छे से रीड कर पाएंगे तभी आप अच्छे से लैंग्वेज को बोल पाएंगे. वेदर इट इज हिंदी और इट इज इंग्लिश. यू शुड ऑलवेज प्रैक्टिस रीडिंग. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नंबर 3. W-E-V. V का मतलब होता है हम. W-E-A-R. W-E-A-R. Wear dash on a Knee. Rainy. D-A-Y. Day. We wear dash on a rainy day. Rainy day में हम क्या पहनते हैं? We wear raincoat. And what is the spelling of raincoat? It's very easy. Raincoat. We wear raincoat on a rainy day. We wear raincoat on a rainy day. We wear raincoat on a rainy day. And KG2, I'm going to write number 4 on the top because I don't have any place here. यहाँ जगह नहीं है. That's why madam is writing on the top. Number 4 is, what is number 4? Number 4 is V. Again it is W-E. The first letter always capital. V, W-E-A-R. V-E-A-R. Wear. Wear. Dash. T-O-2. School. We wear dash to school. So what do you wear to school? आप स्कूल में क्या पहन के आते हो? या फिर आप स्कूल क्या पहन कर जाते हो? Yes, we wear uniform to school. Uniform. 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 So KG2, this was your class for the day. We have learnt 4 new spellings today, that is coat, skirt, shirt, coat, and we have done 4 fill-ups today. And this is your homework. This you have to write 2 times. First in the classwork notebook, then in the homework notebook. You have to do this work twice. एक बार मैम के साथ क्लास में and after that in the homework notebook. Okay? So that's all for today KG2. Have a nice day. Bye bye.